Hello everyone, thanks for stopping into mobytrails.com. Today we're just going to do a real quick little battery tender thing. We've got our ohm meter. We're going to check the battery. I've got terminal mounts for the top of the battery with little wing nuts on them. The battery's a side pole. And we've got a Viking battery charger maintainer. Picked this up at Walmart for, I don't even know, I think it was like 20 bucks, 30 bucks maybe. These were like $5. Here's our battery. Here's our battery. It's a side mount. So it's got two open terminals, two top posts. So I'm going to put the terminal connectors on these with the little wing nuts, and then we're going to use the O-rings, the loops, to hook to those wing nuts, and then we'll have like a permanent pigtail. I'll just store it in here. So then when I pull into this dinky little garage, I can just pop the hood before I pull in, and then I pull right up to my little makeshift shelf here, and I'll have the Viking mounted, plugged in, and then here's the end that we plug in our little loop terminals. It just pigtails to this. It also comes with, I think it comes with clamps too, but it did come with clamps, but I'm not using the clamps because I'm going to leave this on as a permanent solution. So between craft shows that we go to, or camping, traveling, whatever, if it's got to sit in here for a week or 10 days or a month or whatever, then I can just leave the float charger hooked to it. Because I've noticed while I've been playing around with converting the inside and stuff, I've killed my battery a couple times. So anyway, let's get to it. So we put our battery terminal connectors on. There are our little safety pads. Here's the negative side, the positive side. And we're going to tap these down and tighten them up. It's a 12mm socket for the side clamps, or for the clamp bolts. You don't need to be Superman strong. I'm just holding a little tiny pigtail on. And we take the wing nuts off the posts. And then we connect our loops. Now I noticed this one for the black fits, but this one for the red, this post was too big, so I just reamed out the center of this with a 3/8 drill. So now we attach our pigtail, put the black on black. Actually, we're going to put the red one on first and not ground out the black yet, so we don't shoot sparks everywhere. Easy killer. Alright, and then we plug this end into the float charger. And then this can just live in here. I'm going to wrap it up with a little piece of Velcro. And they have these little Velcro tie downs that loop around your cord, tightens on itself so you don't lose them. And then you just manage your cables with it. wrap this right to the battery handle so it doesn't go anywhere. End up in the fan halfway to Oregon or something. Alrighty, I'm happy with that. And then we'll hook the charger up. And we're going to take our pigtails that live in the truck and the other end from the charger. It's keyed, you can only go one way. We're going to plug these in. And here's our unit telling us where we're at, 12.2 volts. And we're going to plug our ends into our battery again. Now that we're all hooked up, plugged in, charging. And now there's our reading. 1305, 1306, 1307. So it looks like it's charging. Once it hits full charge, then it should, the automatic circuit in it or whatever, should change to just maintain. And there we have it. And this will just live here. There's our charger. Got our power cord through. We just plug the power in. When we pull in, and the nose of the van comes right up to the corner, right up to the shelf. Plug our power in. Plug our pigtail in. And boom, keeps it charged in off season. So, we'll tie this down. And we'll be all set. Alright, thanks for stopping in to MobyTrails.com. Talk to you soon.